Hey there and welcome to this video tutorial on the web scraping with the Selenium using proxy with authentication. If you're interested in gathering data from the website which is currently blocked in your region, this video is for you. I will use this website as an example because it's currently blocked in my region. I have to use the VPN to get an access for this, and without the VPN it's not loading. As you can see, that's why I do need the proxy server to scrape information from this website. Proxy also can help you avoid IP blocks and prevent your scraping activity from being detected, and even speed up the scraping by distributing requests across the multiple servers. You might ask, why don't you use a free proxy which you can find on the internet? But I will answer that the free proxy, it's very limited speed, and also uptime it's not always good, and it's not stable. That's why I prefer to use dedicated proxy with authentication. But sometimes it might be tricky to set it up. That's why I want to show you how to do it. Before we go, please hit the like button. That's really motivate me to do a new video for you. And also, if you have a question about Selenium or web scraping in general, you might ask in the comment section down below. Let's go. As you can see, I start a new project. For this, we will create a new Python file. Let it be main. At first, we should set up the Selenium. For this, we need to install it. Also, we need the Selenium stealth just in case. So I will install the beautiful soap. Probably that's it. Now we need to import everything. Also, for Selenium to work with the proxy with authentication, we need some additional extension. Thankfully, we have GitHub with the script, which allows us to connect to the proxy and Selenium. So we need just the extension py. So also we need to import it. I will leave a link to the GitHub down below in the description box. And now I will open an example and see what also we need. So it's Chrome driver manager. Let's copy. Service. So we need to install WebDriver Manager. And we got all set up. Now it's don't show an error. And we can copy from the example. What do we need to paste? So we need the username, password, endpoint, port, and the website itself. Just copy everything, and we'll set up for us. I do prefer it, call it URL. Now I will comment out the headless mode because we don't need it now, and let's paste URL from our website. For username, password, and endpoint, let's set up environment variable. So for that, we can add it here. I will show an example, and after that I will paste my value. And just like that, we set it up environment variable, but I will set it up by myself. So after we have created our environment variables, we just need to import OS, and use OS environ and also the name of our environment variable to paste it into our username, password, endpoint, and port. So, and after we finish up with the setting up things, we could create a function to web scrape our website. So let's start with it. So for today's example, let's assume that we need to extract the movies from trending section, but not just today's trending, but this week trending. So first we need to press the button to switch to this week and extract the name of a movie, premiere date, and the rating. Also, I want it to be ordered by the rating, so the first movie will be with the highest rating. So for that, we need to open the developer tools. It's Fn F12 on the Mac and just F12 on the Windows PC. So we need from here to find the XPath of the button. For that, we just copy the XPath and paste it to our code example. Let me write the code and I will show you everything. Two functions, main function and the get movie info. It's just for extracting the necessary fields from the movie. And also we start with the main function. Here we create a WebDriver. We pass the service Chrome Driver Manager install. It is from the GitHub. So also we pass options with the Chrome options which we gave above. After that we get to the URL and have some sleep to page to load. After this we find the button which we click to get the whole week trending, some time to load, and we got the HTML code from the page, pass it to the beautiful soap, and we have a soap. We can find the trending container. It is container which contain all movies inside. We could easily find it like this, and we have a class of it. So we pass it to the find function, find method, and after this we find all movies by the class. So after this we create some empty list and iterate through the movies and pass to the function. We create the link to the movie and here we append to the list with the function inside. We pass the Chrome driver and link to the movie. So after this we get to that point and here we have an empty dict which we fill up with the movie info. Also we get to the URL of the movie, get some HTML code of it, again pass it to the beautiful soap and parse some information. As name we find the element title, text, and after this we got the rating. Before I input it to the rating, I need to convert it to the float because on the website it is shown as a float, and transform it to int because we want to sort it by the rating. Also we have a movie premiere, but it's not on all the page, so I need to do it like this because we have some exceptions in our website. So after this we just copy the overview and return the movie so it could be passed to the list of movies. And after this we sort it with a lambda and key, so it's just sorted by the rating in the reverse, and we print sorted movies. Also I add the checking for the name. I will explain in the next video why I do this, but it is like the right way to write the code, so you also could write it like this. So let's execute it and see what we got. So now it's loading and it's downloading. After this it should click to the button this week. and find all the trending movies, and one by one reset it and parse the information from this and create the list of all the movies and information from them. So let's wait for a bit. And it's done loading, and we have a list over here. We can copy it and I will show you. So as you can see, it's working correctly. It's order by the rating, and we got the name, rating, premiere date, overview everywhere where it's not the premiere date. We have a not set. So yeah, it's working correctly. That's all for today. I hope you like my video and find it useful. Every link will be down below in the description box to my GitHub with the code and to GitHub of the repository with the proxy authentication. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.